Okay, children, now I'm starting. See, children, meaning of contentment is state of satisfaction. Meaning of contentment is state of satisfaction. A person who is satisfied with his life is called contentment. He or she is in contentment, satisfaction. We should satisfy whatever we have. हमारे पास जो भी है उससे हमें सेटिस्फाइड होना चाहिए. हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि उसके पास तो ये चीज है और हमारे पास नहीं है, और या फिर वो कितने बड़े हैं. ऐसे कभी कभी हम सोचते हैं, जो बच्चे होते हैं, कि मम्मी पापा बड़े हैं तो उन्हें पढ़ाई नहीं करनी पड़ती है, तो वो कितने खुश है वो, और हमको पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, होमवर्क करनी पड़ती है, तो हम अनहैप्पी हैं. वी आर अनहैप्पी, वी हैव टू डू सो मेनी स्टडीज. बट नो, यू डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट, बिकॉज मम्मी पापा और बड़ों ने भी आपके जैसे छोटे थे और उन्होंने भी पढ़ाई की, तब वो बड़े हुए. So we should have satisfaction in our life. This is the moral of the story also. Okay, now I am starting. See, children, here is one thought. Contentment does not mean that I desire nothing, but rather it's the simple decision to be happy with what I have. This is written by Paul Rollo. She is a writer and motivational speaker. Children, here you can understand that we should be happy with what we have. हमारे पास जो है उसमें ही खुश होना चाहिए. Now, story. The name of the story is The Stone Cutter. Name is refers that there is a person who cut stones. This is the story of a stone cutter. Once upon a time, there was a stone cutter who was very unhappy. He always thought that life had not been fair to him. What he thought? He thought he was not happy because he was doing such a hard work whole day. He cut stones on the sunlight. He was get tired and he got not so much money end of the day after hard work. So he thought his life is not good at all. He thought that I am very unhappy. He was not happy with his life. One day he passed by a wealthy merchant's house. What happened? One day he passed by a wealthy merchant's house. Here he saw many fine possessions and visitors. Possession means he saw that there is so many people in front of the merchant. You can see in the picture. Here is the merchant's picture. Many people stand in front of him by holding their hands. The stonecutter thought that the merchant was so happy. He has possession. Possession means power. And so many visitors come to meet him. How powerful the merchant must be. He thought that this merchant is such so many power and I am nothing. He was again unhappy, thought the stonecutter. He became very jealous and wished that he could be like the merchant. He thought, oh God, shall I be like the merchant? He wished that. अगर मैं मर्चेंट जैसा बन जाता तो मैं भी इतना ही पावरफुल होता. Become very jealous and wished that he could be like the merchant. We also feel like that. We see someone very happy, they have lots of things, they have power. We thought, oh God, shall we like that person? Why I am not happy and that person is happy? This is called jealous. That stonecutter got jealous and he thought, he wished that he could be like the merchant. And then what he done? As he passed through a forest, he saw a sage. Sage means a sadhu or a priest or a person who worship God. and told him about his problem. So he saw that a sage sitting under a tree. He saw that there is a sage, a sant, sitting under the tree. So he went to the sage and told him about his problem. The sage heard his silently and smiled. The sant, you can see in the picture. See, he saw he listened all the things of the stonecutter and he smiled. He then took some holy water. Holy water means the water from his bucket. He took some holy water from his vessel and sprinkled it over the stone cutter. What he done? He took some holy water from his vessel and sprinkled means thitna. He threw the water on stone cutter. And what happened? Within few minutes, to his great surprise, he suddenly became a merchant, enjoying more luxury and power than he had ever imagined. What happened? He suddenly became a merchant, enjoying more luxury and power than he had ever imagined. When the holy person, that sant, sprinkled water on the stone cutter, he changed and he became the merchant. वो क्या बन गया? स्टोन कटर से मर्चेंट बन गया. वो वही तो चाहता था. He want to be like a merchant, powerful and strong. He spent a few days in luxury till one day he saw the king's procession. He loved, a few days he liked the way the merchant lived. But after a few days, what he saw? He saw the king. And he saw the king's power. The king was going on a well-decorated chariot. Chariot means रथ. बड़े से रथ में king जा रहा था. Accompanied with a lot of soldiers. And with whom all the soldiers were paraded in front of him and back of him. Everybody was going as the king passed. सब लोग क्या कर रहे थे? झुक के उन्हें प्रणाम कर रहे थे king को. How powerful the king is, he thought. I wish that I could be the king. Then what he thought? काश मैं king जैसा होता. ये तो merchant से भी ज्यादा powerful है. He again went to the sage and asked him to make him the king. Now what he told to the son? Please make me king. Because he was not satisfied. He was not satisfied as a stone cutter. Now sant make him merchant. Now he was not set. After a few days, he was get bored from the merchant. So what he said? That make me king. So now what sant done? He make him king. He sprinkle again holy water. He sprinkle on the wood cutter, the stone cutter, and the sage made him the king. Now he become, the stone cutter become a king. You can see in the picture. One day he was going in his procession. It was a hot summer day. He felt very uncomfortable. It was a hot summer day. He felt very uncomfortable. What he felt? He felt very uncomfortable. He looked up at the sun. Oh, he felt very hot. गर्मी लगती है ना हमें जब धूप होती है तो. When sun was there in afternoon, if we go outside, he looked up at the sun. And what he see? He saw the sun. उसने देखा क्यों इतनी गर्मी लग रही है? He saw up and he saw the big bright sun, and it was hot, and he thought that the students are coming frequently. Okay, children. Now, what happened? He felt very uncomfortable and he looked up at the sun. It shone proudly in the sky, unaffected by his presence. How powerful the sun is, he thought. Then the stonecutter thought, oh, the sun is more powerful than the king. I wish that I could be the sun, because sun is powerful than king. Then he become the sun. Again he go to the sun, sage, and sage again made him sun. Now what he, the stone cutter turned as a sun. क्या बन गया वो अब sun बन गया. Now he become a sun. So then he become the sun. 1 second student, just wait. Many students are coming. I have to admit them. Just wait, huh? Hold on. Many students are coming. Okay. Then he become the sun, shining fiercely on everyone. Fiercely means proud के साथ. With proud, he was shining on the sky to give rays to everyone. Crushed by the farmers and laborers. But a huge, one day what happened? A huge black cloud moved between him and the earth, so that his light could no longer shine on everything below. Children, when cloud passed from the earth and the sun, between the earth and the sun, it is covered, the sun covered, and that time the ray, the light of sun is not shining on the earth. It happens. So now what woodcutter thought? How powerful the cloud is. It is obstacle. It is break the sign of the sun. He thought, how powerful the cloud is. I wish that I could be a cloud. Then he become a cloud. Again sage made him cloud. First वो क्या बना? सबसे पहले उसे अपने स्टोन कटर होने पे बहुत he was very unhappy that he was a stone cutter. He want to become a merchant. Then sage, the sun, made him merchant. After few days, he was unhappy from merchant and he want to become a king. Now sage made him king, more powerful than merchant. And after few days, what happened? The king, he thought that sun is more powerful than king. What he then become? He becomes sun. And after then, when he was sun, after few days, he saw that who is shining? Who is more powerful than sun? The cloud. The cloud who is making obstacle. So, what happened then? What happened then? He thought that, oh, I want to be a cloud. And what happened? He became a cloud. But soon he found that he was being pushed away by some great force and realized that it was a wind. How powerful it is. Now after few days, cloud was very happy that he is obstacle the sun. He is powerful than sun. But after few days, what happened? A large wind. You know, children, जब हवा चलती है, जोर से पवन चलती है, when wind is blowing, the clouds move. They can move the clouds. So now cloud realized that wind is more powerful than the cloud. And now what he see, I show you the picture of cloud. It is forced by the power of wind. Then he become a cloud. Then he become a cloud. But soon he found that he was pushed away by a great force, and he realized that it was the wind. How powerful it is, he thought. I wish I could be the wind. What he want to be now? He want to be wind. क्या बनना चाहता है? पवन. अब वो wind बनना चाहते हैं. Now he become to wind. You can see the picture. It is a picture of wind which is pushing the cloud. Then he become the wind. Again he go to the sage and the sun and said, and sun made him wind. That blowing tiles of the roof of houses, uprooting trees, feared and hated by all below him. But after a while, he ran up against something that would not move. पहले तो उसे बहुत मजा आ रहा था, पवन बन के, हवा बन के. He was flying on the roof of the houses, uprooting trees, trees को हिला रहा था. Trees was when wind blow, the trees moving, when wind blowing, the trees moving, right? So he was very enjoying that power, that the roof of houses was tiles was blowing, the uprooting, he was uprooting, वो छोटे छोटे trees को uproot कर दे रहा था, trees बिखर के गिर जा रहे थे. Feared and hated by the below him, he was very forcefully he blowing up. But then all of sudden what happened? He passing, but there is one thing which is not moving. एक ऐसी चीज थी जो पवन से बिल्कुल ही अफेक्टेड नहीं थी, हिल नहीं रही थी. नो मैटर हाउ फोर्सफुली ही ब्लीव अगेंस्ट इट, कितने भी जोर से वो हवा चल रही थी, बट दैट थिंग वाज नॉट मूविंग. व्हाट वाज दैट थिंग? अ ह्यूज रॉक. इट वाज अ रॉक, एक पत्थर था. दैट वाज, ना चिल्ड्रन, अ बिग रॉक नेवर blow away by the wind of the power of wind. How powerful that rock is, he thought. He thought that, oh my god, rock is more powerful than wind because it not move when wind blowing. I wish that I could be a rock. Now what he want to become? He want to become a rock. अब उसे एक पत्थर बनना था. And like this, you can see in the picture. This is the picture of rock. Rocks are very powerful. It not moved by the winds. Then he become the rock, more powerful than anything else on earth. Yes, rock is the most solid, powerful thing of the earth. But as he stood there, he heard the sound of a hammer. Children, hammer means hathoda. You can see in your house. Pounding a chisel into the hard surface. जैसे ही वो रॉक बन के खड़ा हुआ, उसने एक आवाज सुनी. He heard a noise. What noise he heard? He heard a noise of a hammer, which he chiseled into the hard surface and felt himself being changed. And what happened when the hammer was put on the surface of the stone? Stone was broken down. What could be more powerful than I, the rock? He thought. मेरे से भी ज्यादा पावरफुल. द रॉक ने सोचा, वो तो स्टोन कटर था एक्चुअली, वो बन गया था रॉक. अब वो सोचा मेरे से भी ज्यादा पावरफुल कौन है जो मुझे तोड़ रहा है. He looked down. उसने नीचे देखा and saw far below him a stone cutter. What he saw? He saw a stone cutter is putting hammer on the stone and cutting the stone. He realized that the way nature has made us is the way best for us. अब उसने रियलाइज किया कि अरे मैं तो स्टोन कटर था, तो मैं ही तो सबसे ज्यादा पावरफुल था, मैं ही तो स्टोन को कट करता था. और उस दिन that stone cutter realized that what we actually have, भगवान ने हमें जैसा बनाया है, गॉड ने हमें जैसा बनाया है, वैसा ही बेस्ट है. उन्होंने कुछ सोच के हमें वैसा बनाया है. हमें कभी भी उनके बनाए हुए किसी भी चीज को चैलेंज नहीं करना चाहिए. वी नॉट बी अनहैप्पी दैट व्हाई आई एम नॉट लाइक दिस, व्हाई आई एम नॉट लाइक दैट पर्सन. डोंट कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विथ अदर्स. दिस इज द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी. So children, what we understand from the story? All of us have many desires in life. Some of them are fulfilled, some of them are not. But this does not mean that we should be unhappy. Rather than looking at the things we don't have, we should feel happy about the things we have. It means to count our blessings and feel happy with what we have in life. This is what we call contentment, satisfaction. Contentment is the state of being satisfied with one's lot. A content person is pleased with what he has. He does not make himself miserable by envying those who have what he has not. Contentment breeds happiness. If you are satisfied, you will be happy. It is therefore worth cultivating that this can be done. If you feel thankful about all the things you have, you would be happy. So if we all want to be happy, we have to be satisfied, content. On the other hand, discontentment means that you always keep desiring and carving for things you don't have. If you don't enjoy what you have but keep wishing for what others have, you would always feel sad. Such a way of life would make you unhappy. So, if the moral of the story is, if we want to be happy, we have to be satisfied what we have. So children, this is the moral of Stonecutter story. Now, one more thing I want to discuss with you related with this. See, we all are different. हम एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हैं. Okay? हम सब में कोई स्किल है. We all have different skills. हम सभी में किसी को ड्राइंग करना अच्छा लगता है, किसी को डांस करना, किसी को सिंगिंग करना, किसी को पेंटिंग, ड्राइंग तो मैंने बोला ही है. ऐसे ही हर किसी में अलग अलग गुण है. ओके, तो आज एक और चैप्टर मैं आपको पढ़ाने वाली हूँ, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्किल्स. वी ऑल हैव सम स्किल्स, बट we all know some. नहीं, most of the people do not come to know their inner skills, especially during childhood. बचपन में हमें पता नहीं टैलेंट है, you know. So if we recognize our inner skills in the childhood, बचपन से ही हमें पता चल जाए कि हमारे में क्या गुण है, we can develop them in a better way. We can practice it properly. If a child recognizes his or inner skill, then he or she may be very efficient in it in the future, because he or she will get enough time to develop this skill. You must have heard about Sachin Tendulkar, the most famous cricket player of the world, right? He knew that he would become a good cricketer when he was school student, when he was very small. He understand that I am good in cricket, and he always try to practice. He began to practice cricket properly. He transformed his hobby into his career. Very small age. His timely decision and sincere effort made him the most popular cricket player. What is my opinion, that if you have any special skill, give time on that. Don't watch television. Don't spend too much time to see cartoons. If you are good in singing, if you're good in dancing, if you're good in painting, do give time on that. Every day give on time on that. After practice, you will be master on that. Okay, children, today my topic of discussion is, what is your hobby? What will you like to be when you grow up?
Thought.
One by one.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Those who want to pick बात करने का. अगर किसी ने खुद से अनम्यूट करके बात किया तो मैं आपसे बात